Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to simply add a wallet to your account. So naturally, you're going to need to sign on to your NGS account first. The second step is really straight away there on your dashboard. You'll see right here, store a new wallet. Just click on that. Now it's going to ask you for the name of the wallet. So in this example, we'll just call it test. And with the address, I cannot emphasize it enough. For security reasons, please copy and paste it from where you got it. Don't try and remember it. Don't even try and write it down on a piece of paper, because all the numbers, all the capitals, all the small letters are very important. And if you get one wrong, it's gone forever. There's no getting it back. So please copy and paste it. I've already got one pasted here. And after that, it's as simple as just pressing save changes. So click on that one. Wallet added, fantastic. And now you'll see it pop up here, the test wallet. So beyond that, if you do want to make a withdrawal, it's very simple. Make sure to check out the video. If the video has helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe, push notifications, and we'll see you next time. I appreciate it. Thank you.